Have you ever frozen? Right before doing something new? Your heart beats fast, your hands shake. You want to speak English, join a class, or chase a dream? But a tiny voice says, "What if you fail?" Pause. Take a deep breath. That voice? It's just fear. And it's okay. Because today, you'll learn a secret. Courage starts with one small step. Meet Minh. She's 20, shy, and dreams of studying abroad. But her English? Not great. Every time she tries to speak, she stumbles. People laugh. She feels small. She thinks, "I'll never be good enough." One day, Minh sees a video, maybe even this one. It says, "You don't need to be perfect. Just start." So, Minh tries something tiny. She says one sentence in English, "I am enough." Her voice shakes, but she says it again. And again. That one sentence? It's her first step. The next day, she tries 2 sentences. Then, she joins an English club. She's nervous, but she speaks, and no one laughs. They cheer. Weeks pass. Minh's voice grows stronger. She makes mistakes, but she keeps going. One small step, every single day. 6 months later, Minh gives a speech in English. Her dream? Closer than ever. Here's the truth. Courage isn't about being fearless. It's about acting, even when you're scared. It's saying one word, writing one sentence, trying one time. So, what's your small step today? Maybe it's saying hello in English to a friend. Maybe it's watching this video until the end. Or maybe it's sharing your step in the comments below. Pause. Look at where you are. You're here listening, learning. That's already a step. That's already courage. And here's the magic. Every small step builds a stronger you. Every try makes fear a little quieter. Every day brings your dream a little closer. So don't wait to feel ready. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Start small. This is Small Steps, Big Courage. You're listening to VTH Stories, where English grows, one story at a time. Before you go, try this. Say one English sentence out loud, right now. Then, tell us in the comments, what did you say? Subscribe, hit the bell, and let's take the next step together. See you in the next story.